how to convert or change your currency in Revolut 2025. So Revolut is an all-in-one finance app. So let's get started. So to exchange your currency, you must first go to the home on the bottom menu. So in the app, you'll see a button called the home. Simply just go to that. And then you'll see at the bottom called menu. Simply just click that button. Now, from there, you will see below your balance. So in your below your balance, you can click the button called tap more. So after you do that, you can now choose the button called exchange and simply just select the currencies that you want to exchange. Like for example, your USD to Canadian or some Philippine peso or whatever currency that your country is on. And then after that, you can now tap the arrow in the middle to switch between the buy and sell. Now in the arrow in the middle, in the exchange button, you'll see there's a middle or an arrow that you can choose between buy and sell. Simply just choose the amount to buy or sell. And if since you want to exchange the currency, you might want to sell the currency first. So in order to do that, simply just choose the sell button. And after that, simply just tap the review order. Now, after you do that, review the order, including any fees before you complete the exchange. So make sure you put all the details correctly, all the details you want, and review everything and including the fees. Now, because it's not possible to cancel currency exchanges once the exchange has been completed. So the only way to revert it is to make a new exchange. Make sure you've done the correct review order, including the fees. Now that's how you can convert or exchange your currency in Revolut.